Hi everyone. Welcome to the positional trade review for the month of July 2021. This video is to review the positional trades taken during the month of July 2021. We generally share our positional trading plan and trading levels at the start of every month, that is, every new monthly expiry contracts. And this video is to review how those positional trades panned out at the end of the month. As you all know, we generally trade only on 8 stocks, which are Infi, ITC, JSW Steel, Lupin, Reliance, Sun Pharma, Bharati Airtel, and ICICI Bank, and 2 indices, which are Nifty and Bank Nifty, every month. We also have automated alerts being triggered whenever we trade. You can subscribe for this service completely free of charge using the link in the description section of this video. Name of the Telegram channel for automated alerts is Positional Alerts. So with that note, let's begin our review for the positional trades taken during July 2021. This was a good month to trade. So let's start with the indices first. First on the list is Nifty. If you look at our monthly trading levels for Nifty, our long entry was above 16094 and our short entry was below 15487. There was no entry on either of the sides for the whole month. Did you see how beautifully it saved us from the trap this month? That's magic of our levels. So Nifty was in the no trade zone for the whole month and we didn't had any trades. Moving on, next on the list is Bank Nifty and it deviated from Nifty this month. We took a long side trade on Bank Nifty on the 15th July, which was a very good entry. But the very next day, Bank Nifty formed the bearish engulfing pattern and gave a clear exit signal and gave good enough time to exit as well. So we had exited this trade near the cost with a very small loss. Coming to the stocks, first on the list is Bharati Airtel. In Bharati Airtel, long was triggered on 22nd July and it hit our target 1 and almost hit target 2 the very next day. But then it dropped and hit our trailing stop loss and we had to exit at target 1 with 10 points. This is exactly similar trade like we had the last month. The price came back to entry again in the next few days and went on to hit all 3 targets, but we didn't take the second trade. Next on the list is ICICI Bank. It was an exciting trade. Price gave entry on the long side in the mid of the month and went close to target 1 before it dropped by forming a bearish engulfing pattern. We didn't book near the target 1 and we had to exit at cost. It went down further and then bounced back to give the second entry, which gave almost all 3 targets. We had to exit at target 2 as expiry was nearing. It was a good trade considering the market conditions. Next on the list is Infi. The price remained range bound for the whole month before breaking out above our entry in the last week and closed near our target 1. But we didn't take the trade due to obvious reasons. Next on the list is ITC. The price gave entry on the long side at the mid of the month and it remained range bound for the next few days before blasting upwards. We booked the ITC at target 2 as the expiry was nearing. It was a good trade. Next on the list is JSW Steel. This was a jittery trade. It was a heart in the mouth kind of a trade, but it is worth every bit of it. The long side entry was triggered at the mid of the month, but immediately it started dropping heavily. But there was no clear exit signal on the chart, so we were just holding it with the stop loss. After one day of jittery movement, it bounced back in style and went on to hit all 3 targets. Multiple rules were broken during this trade, though it ended in very good profits. It is healthy for our trade book to avoid such trades. Next on the list is Lupin. Price gave entry on the long side at the mid of the month and it almost hit the target 1 and then dropped back to our entry. Due to bearish engulfing formation near the target 1, we had to exit our trade at cost. Price then bounced back again to close at target 1 and then dropped heavily as the entire pharma sector have seen a severe drop in the price in the last week of July. It even gave a short side entry in the last week of the expiry and gave the first target as well. But generally we avoid taking new trades in the last week, so we had to avoid this trade. Next one on the list is Reliance. This was a long wait trade. Reliance was teasing the short side entry for few days before giving a proper entry on the short side at the mid of the expiry. But after giving short entry, it shot up again and then dropped heavily in the last week of expiry. It went on to close near target 2, but we exited at target 1 as the expiry was nearing. Last one on the list is Sun Pharma. Price was teasing long side entry for few days before giving a proper entry on the long side at the mid of the expiry. After giving long entry, it quickly hit target 1 before dropping back to our entry and we had to exit at cost. After our exit, it again shot up and went on to hit target 2. But since second entry wasn't convincing enough and the expiry was nearing, we didn't take the second trade. This was another good month to trade. Hope you have traded on some of these instruments and made some profits. Please share your experience or feedback with us if you have taken any of these trades. If you have any questions or clarifications on taking the positional trades, feel free to ask in the comment section. And finally, are you ready for trading using the August month levels? We have already shared the trading levels for the month of August in our Market Secrets and Positional Alerts Telegram channels. To get automatic alerts whenever positional trades are triggered based on our trading levels, you can join our Positional Alerts Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to the channel in the description section of this video. Do you want to learn how to use the monthly levels file? Then check out our video on positional trading using monthly levels file. I'll leave the link to the video in the description section of this video. You can use our levels strategy along with basic technical analysis to mint money in positional trading. Finally, do you want to learn how to generate these levels and need full-fledged training on intraday, swing, positional and options trading? Then you can consider joining our Professional Traders program, otherwise called as PTP. I'll leave the link to our training program details in the description section of this video. Also, if you want to trade on the stocks other than the 8 stocks shared in our Positional Alerts Telegram channel, you can use our monthly levels file in our website, which has trading levels for all the FNO stocks. I'll leave the link to our website in the description section of this video. For any other queries, you can reach us anytime through WhatsApp or Telegram. Our contact details are available in our website. Finally, thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope it was useful. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.